Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will be cleaning my motorcycle right here. It's a 50cc moped and yeah, it definitely needs a detail, so we will do that. Firstly I want to show you the condition that this bike is in. So we can see that the paint is actually pretty good, but right here at the exhaust it has some marks, so we will clean that. And yeah, as you can see here underneath it's pretty dirty as well, and yeah, spots like this where the carburetor is are pretty dirty as well. Okay guys, so the first step will be just quickly pressure washing the whole bike, and then we will follow with the pre-wash. Here I have a spray bottle in which I have a Green Star from Koch Chemie diluted 1:20, and we will just spray the whole bike with it. So now we let it dwell for a couple of minutes and then we will pressure wash the whole thing. Okay, so the bike is now much more cleaner than it was before, but we still have some spots, so I will go over it with the brush and the pre-wash again. Okay, now so the bike is pretty clean already, but now we will go over with the auto shampoo and foam the whole thing down. So here I have my auto shampoo in a foam gun, and we will attach this to the pressure washer and we will, like I said, foam the whole bike down. Now we let the auto shampoo dwell for a couple of minutes and then we'll rinse the whole thing off once again. And while we let it dwell, we can use a brush and kind of clean the rims of the tires. Okay guys, and now we will wax the whole bike down with the protector wax, which I have it mixed in here. It's 20 milliliters of a protector wax and 1 liter of water, and you will see how awesome this product works. Okay guys, you can really see how insane the hydrophobics are on the protector wax. I mean, look at this guys. The hydrophobic is absolutely insane. The only thing I don't recommend is that you kind of leave this in the sun, because these kind of droplets of water will stick to the surface of the paint and they will leave marks. Okay guys, the bike is now dry and we will look at the results. As you can see, the paint is very shiny, very clean. I mean, look at those rims, guys. They are kind of perfect, honestly. The exhaust is also very clean, except for this bit right here, if you can see it. Yeah guys, otherwise it's pretty clean. But yeah guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe and like, it was meant a lot to me, and I will see you in another one guys. Bye.